Let us watch how to use the features in this activity where you can get an exact amount of water with 2 jugs. How to fill a jug. Right, click on the jug with the left mouse button down and drag jug into the lid on the left, right below the water level. Wait for the jug to fill before taking out. How to pour from jug 1 to jug 2. Right, drag jug 1 on top of jug 2, some overlap. The button appears and then click on the button and it will pour. How to empty water from jug 1. Drag jug 1 into the box on the right, and the water will automatically discharge. The same can be done for filling, pouring and emptying jug 2.